Okay, problem number 7 is just asking that, well, let me read it. It says 10 students in a graduate program were randomly selected. Their grade point averages, or GPAs, when they entered the program were between 3.5 and 4.0. The following data were obtained regarding their GPAs on entering the program versus their current GPAs. Find the linear regression equation for the data. So now to find a linear regression, it's not that hard. What you do is you go to Stat, and I'm going to clear my list. I don't know, I may have had something in there from before. I'm just going to choose option number 4. Let me slide my calculator up a bit. Whoops. And hit enter. Oops, hit the wrong button. Well, let's see what's in there. No, well, you could clear it this way too. Just go to the top here, hit clear, hit enter, boom. Go to the top here, hit enter or clear, then hit this, boom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to enter in, these are all my x's and these are all my y's. So the first one is going to be 3.5, 3.8, 3.6, 3.6, 3.5, 3.9, 4.0, 3.9, 3.5, 3.7. Alright, and how many were there? That was 10, right? Yep. So, and I'm double checking to see if I have 10 entries because in the problem it said there were 10 students. So we're good there. 3.6, 3.7, 3.9, 3.6, 3.9, oops, 9 again, oops, 3.9, yeah, I better double check these, 3.8, 3.7, 3.9, 3.8, and 4.0. Alright, so let me just double check these real quick one last time to verify before I do the regression. So I've got 3.6, 3.8, I'm going to slide this out a little bit over here. 3.8, 3.6, 3.6, 3.5, 3.9, 4.0, 3.9, 3.5, 3.7, coming back up 4.0, 3.8, 3.9, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 3.6, 3.9, 3.7, 3.6. Okay, so now that I have the data in there, and let me slide this over so you can see the big thing, the big screen here. If I hit Stat and I go to Calc, option number 4 is the linear regression. So I'm just going to hit enter. And by default, it automatically pulls up L1, L2, which is what I used. And then I suppose I could store this equation. By doing this, I'm going to say store equation. If I hit vars, go over to function, and choose y1, it'll say it's going to store the regression equation in y1. And then come down here to calculate and hit enter. And there's my equation. So now if I go to y equals 1, sure did. It's right there. So it's the slope is 0.03125 times x, and then the y-intercept is 3.67. And so I'm just going to graph this, take a look-see. And as you can see here, the answer is C.